What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out my video. So, this is drone racing from 2015. I was digging through some old SD cards and I found this. I think the date was late August. And you'll see at the very beginning, I get a little off center on one of these gates and I spend the rest of the game playing catch up. But I think that makes for some pretty good racing. So you'll notice there's some gates just off to the right here, and those were put aside for the finals. This was just a pre-qualifier race between me and one other person. It was actually pretty common to have a different racetrack that we would set up depending on which pilot showed up and who was comfortable racing what kind of gates. I definitely don't feel like that's the case anymore. Nowadays, they just make the craziest track that they can and put on the best show possible. I've got some other videos that I made of events kind of like this. I'll leave the link down in the description. So that was drone racing in 2015. Let's check out what it looks like today. I want to give a special thanks to NERC FPV and the DRL, the Drone Racing League, for putting on such an amazing show and bringing this sport to the forefront. I mean, really, look at this track. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever seen anything like this in real life. So that's it. I hope you liked this little peek at the past and the present. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and send this to a friend. Thanks. Bye.